Hey, how you doing? Don't mind the noise. Got a friend over here just washing his car. But we're back here today at Bach Construction. We're going to install a new front grille on the C8 Life Corvette. This is from Extreme Online Store. And I figured since I had a Z06 wing, Z06 style wheels, Z06 style canards, might as well have a Z06 style grille on it. So here, just take a look at it real quick. This is the new grille. You can see it's wide open. There's a lot of air going to flow through. It's got a little bit of a Z06 style design with the wings kind of curving down. This is the old grille in the background. It's pretty solid, not much airflow going through there. So let's back this thing into the garage and see how it goes.
A few minutes later.
All right, after quite a while, we finally got that bumper off. It does take time. It's just a whole bunch of screws and clips and so forth. Like I said, you can find plenty of videos online. Now, we'll see if I can show you how to install this new grille. There's the old grille. Okay, there's Jack and Harold there. And Club Butters that helped me out.
We already moved the cameras.
Okay, they already moved the cameras, so that's pretty easy. You just got to undo these clips here, and apparently the cameras come out real easy. Thanks, guys.
These are the bolts here.
Yeah. Move in here. We got these clips along here. One here on the side. One here on the side. Does this have to come out?
No.
Okay. So where are you seeing the torques? Oh, up here on the top. Yeah, okay. We got torques up here on the top. No, these are sevens?
Sevens.
They're all sevens. Okay. Let's get to it, buddies. So we left the power tools underneath here, huh?
Yep, I guess so.
Fucking idiots. I guess those are coming out by hand then, huh? Oh no, ha ha! I got mine. Okay. Hey, you want to use this, Harold? Okay. I'll do the filming here. Look at that hair that Harold's got. Okay, there we go. See, just taking these sevens out. Nothing complicated. No instructions needed. Pardon me, sir?
2 hands.
Oh, 2 hands with Harold. Harold's a two-handed man.
Is that it?
The girls like that.
One more.
And Jack's got the light.
Any more, Jack?
Yeah, one behind the cables there.
Got that one. Already got it. It's all up. Okay.
Oh, you already got these two?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, these clips here are supposed to be bitches. Enough can we? Well, these. Okay, we gotta do these for this, huh? Yeah. Okay. So now we got these clips here. Those clips there. Okay. Where are the clippers now? You want me to get one of my trim tools?
I'm wondering how they work.
Have to go this way.
Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay. All right, we got some on the bottom here too. It'll be easier once you get the bottom off.
I got screwdrivers. Hey, Jack's getting some screws underneath here. Harold's already got his out over there. All right, let's see if we can get these clips off over here.
Push on. Make sure you got everything.
All right, Harold says this one's just going to come off when we do the top. Got this one up here. Well, that's pretty easy. Oh, hey everybody, welcome back. Back, yeah.
Just push it in a little bit. That one's out.
I think we got to get these bottom ones though. Oh, you just gotta jerk them. Yeah. See, I just jerked on those.
Yeah.
I hate jerking on a $100,000 car like that, but
That one right there, push that in. Push in the center here.
I got a screwdriver.
That's not. This one's it.
These are tough, but simple. Harold's got his side.
Yeah, it's on this here. Here's what's happening. There we go.
Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, I got that one.
That one's holding. This one's holding right there. That one.
Yeah.
Down there is holding. You gotta hit that center piece there.
There we go.
There you go.
It's out.
I got it.
Okay, the only question we have is this, we think this is the temperature sensor for the ambient temperature on the dash. So we don't know where that's gonna go back in, but we'll figure that out. Okay, there it is. Yeah, you gotta be careful, that's awful flimsy now. All right. Okay, now we're gonna just try to slip the new one right in. Okay, you gotta get these gotta go in little pockets in the front there on the bottom. Let me see if,
Go ahead and get it.
I think I need more angle on this thing. Doesn't want to line up.
That's
We're trying to get this little pin to slip right in there.
it's gotta come over there. That
No.
no, Jack, that's not it. Let go, Jack.
This here's got to slide in
Right, that's
to that slot.
Why am I in so much? What if we flip it?
Why don't we put it on his face?
Go in now. There you go.
Is that in?
Let
me see. Yeah.
It started.
Yeah, okay, yeah. All right. You want to put a bolt in it?
No, not yet.
I know we got to get the bottom in there.
Yeah, I gotta get this in here too. There you go, Jack. You should be close there.
It's a struggle. See, we're having a hard time getting that pin right in there to line up.
Well, this is.
There we go.
All right. Well, see, you can't.
Okay.
And maybe, yeah, you can.
Yeah. All right, we got it, Jack. That was a little bit of a struggle, but it went in. Okay, now we got to line all these pins up. Why don't we put it on his face?
Yeah, that'd be easier.
Okay.
Maybe. Just be careful. Don't
Yeah.
stretch it.
Yeah.
It'll pop out.
All right.
Yeah, this needs to be pulled together somehow. This is not pop it all the way through. There it is.
I got it, I think. There we go, that one's through. Okay, we're just trying to get these pins popped in. You still good here?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Get this screw tight.
All right, now that's the end.
Probably the other screws.
Okay. Put them. Well, that seemed like quite the struggle, but it actually only took a couple minutes. You just got to get it lined up, and then it pops right in. So Jack and Harold are finishing up. Putting the screws back in. Jack's trying to put the camera in. That's kind of a weird thing they got there. It's different than the original one was.
Just pops in.
And it pops in, stays right in place. Here you go. Wasn't eat too hard. Okay, we'll tilt it up and look at it. Now we got to figure out.
Always look at this, make sure that it goes back.
That's right up, right up side, right side up.
You're everything tight, or you got one more screw, or are we done?
Right here's
I got that screw.
Is that where the sensor goes right there?
Huh?
Yeah.
No.
Sensor goes.
We're probably just gonna tape it up somewhere, huh? You know this is gone. The part that went into is gone.
It is gone.
Well, we found where we can put this little temperature sensor that no longer has a place to go. It used to clip right in over here into a part that's no longer there. So what we did was we found a little hole right up here where it'll fit in perfectly. Right there, look at that. Here, I'm gonna go around the other side. Jack, push it through the hole. Let's see how it'll fit. Okay, look at that. Bam, fits perfect. Problem solved.
One more screws. One down here.
One down there. Got this one here. It looks like it's in. Holy moly, guys. Yeah, we did it. 3 old guys did it. It wasn't that hard. Extreme Online Store Z06 style front grille for your Stingray. Okay, let's tilt it back up and let's take a look at it. There it is. Looks good, huh? Looks mean. These got to go on there.
There they are.
Yeah. So here. These are the plates that go on the front. Okay, we don't want to put that one all the way on yet because we got to figure out how to get the tow hook through there. Here, hold this, Jack. Let's show how this goes on. All right, so this is just going to go right on here. Oh, that's kind of funky. Oh well.
Is it upside down?
It lines up here.
Turn your toe.
Lines up here. Okay. Can we adjust the camera angle? There, that fit.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, camera wasn't in all the way.
Let push forward.
Yeah. There you go. You got it.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, perfect. Okay.
Okay, and we're going to leave this side open because we got to figure out how to get the tow hook through there, and probably have to drill a little hole in this for the tow hook to go through. All right. So you guys confident that we're done and we just got to put the bumper back on? Okay. All right. All right. So we got an update here. Harold figured out where the clips go. They're to hold the cameras in place. There you go, I got mine in.
How'd you do it?
Okay, see, just go right in there. Get some light on that. See, those little extra clips go right in there.
Do you have to put an angle or something? Here, put this one.
Hey there, well, we got it on. Except one other little thing we had to fix was the shaft for the tow hook. Didn't quite clear this. So I just took a Dremel to this and cleared this out a little bit. And now the tow hook shaft goes right in there nice and straight. Easy breezy. All right, now I gotta figure out how to mark this cover so that we can drill it. I'll be back. This tow hook, I had to drill a hole in the plate to get that in, and this camera isn't quite lining up right, so I don't know. I hope I don't have to take the bumper off to get that fixed. But there it is. One mean looking front end on the Corvette Stingray. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna break it down, put the wheels on, and get the heck out of here.
Rockin' that hard ass grill. 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 Look at the car that kills. Look at the whole damn crowd. We making noise that's loud. Now the song that's real. I'ma go on, I will. Rapping that song that's real. We rockin' that hard ass grill. My style is mad fly like a preacher to the choir. My people's about that action. Rockin' them long hair, don't care. Spittin' facts like we playin' truth or dare. Like we just don't care. Rockin' that hard